The difference between word older and elder. The older word is used to compare the age of people, animals, or things. For example, my sister is older than me by 3 years. Number two, that building is older than the city library. Number three, my brother is older but shorter than me. Number four, my dog is older than the puppy next door. The word elder is used to describe an older person in a family. For example, my elder brother lives in another city. Number two, my eldest cousin lives near the university. Number three, their elder son plays football at school. Number four, she always respects her elder relatives. Older and elder are comparative adjectives used to talk about age. These two words have similar meanings, but they are used in different ways. In this article, you will learn the difference between older and elder, their meaning, and how to use each word correctly with clear examples. What does older mean? Older is a comparative form of old. It describes someone or something that has lived or existed for a longer time than other person or thing. Older can be used for people, animals, and objects, and it is the most common word used when comparing age. For example, this brother, this building is older than the one next to it. My brother is older than me. She's older than her classmates. What does elder mean? Elder is also used to compare the age of people, but it is mainly used when talking about family relationships. It usually comes before a noun and it is commonly used with than. Elder is more formal and less common than older. Example: my elder sister lives in Canada. His elder brother is a doctor. She spoke to her elder cousin. Difference between older and the word elder. The main difference between older and elder is how and where they are used. Older is the most common word and can be used for people, animals, and things. Elder is mainly used for people in families, relationships, and usually comes before a noun. Example: my sister is older than me. Number two, this house is older than that one. Number three, my elder sister lives in Canada. Number four, his elder brother works abroad.